So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reset your layout. So in Adobe After Effects, if you by mistake you just changed the layout, you moved, you closed, you can do this by mistake. I just closed that. Now I close this project maybe, or this window. Now I move this here, I move this there. And you can do this by mistake. When I first started learning Adobe After Effects, by mistake I just started to switch between this, and by mistake I just destroyed, or um, I just moved all the layout, or the layout, available here, and now it was just a chaos. And I'm gonna show you in this video how to fix this. Don't worry, you can fix this. So what you have to do is to go to Window here, and here we have Workspace. Now we are in the standard workspace. If I actually click on Effects here, now I move to in a different workspace. I can actually click on the standard, and also the preview, the learn, the small screen. So there's basically different workspaces created here. Now what we have to do is actually go here in the workspace and click on reset, but we were actually in the default one, so we have to go here and then click on reset default. Okay, but another way is actually if you click on the three dots here, you also have reset to saved layout. And now we just reset this layout and we have everything as it was before previously. So yeah, we can absolutely fix this issue, as you can see. And now if you close something, you change something, you close a panel. Also, if you close a panel, you go to window here. Here we have windows that we can close, that we can enable. So if I click here and actually I close the preview window, I can click on the preview window, and now I have enabled that. Now we also have here the library is not enabled, because if it was, you just have this check button here. Now essential graphics, it was also closed. You can also close from here. Also here you have some panel group settings, and progress, again another one, brushes, another one, audio, align, brushes, character, effects, and presets. Here you can find all the effects. I had this problem actually one time. I was watching a tutorial, and he had on the left side the effects and presets, and I didn't have this. Probably I closed by mistake, because I believe if you actually go in the effects uh in the effects workspace, you automatically have this effect and panel. But if you close it, you can just reset it easily, and you can also change from here to a different workspace. But you can reset all the workspaces as was previously, and you don't have to worry. You also have the animation workspace, and from here you can also enable motion sketch, another one. You can enable it or disable it. Here you also have composition, projects, footage, metadata, and this is also great. You can close it. You also have properties. Again, I think that's um, pretty important. And then if you again you created mess here, just reset, because it was a mess before. I did it myself. Now I also have back here all the settings, content aware fill, motion sketch. So there's a lot of, now I can go back and just reset, and you don't have to worry, because you can reset, you can really customize Adobe After Effects. You can customize it pretty easily and just change stuff, so you don't have to worry. You also have this wiggle here, tracker, So yeah, let's close it now. We don't need the wiggle here. And as I said before, you can also unlock or lock, unlock. You can move it now where you want. Let's say you have a different monitor, and yeah, I think that's important to mention. You can actually unlock this panel, and now you can move this in a different monitor. On a different monitor, you can move this so you can work on your workspace. I think that can help your productivity, especially if you're doing a lot of animation rigging, character rigging. I know that can help a lot. Uh, Even if you weren't doing that, you can still use this, can help for editing. If you're using a laptop, using this and moving your timeline in a different in a somewhere else, on a different monitor, and increasing the resolution. You know, this can help you a lot, especially if you have a lot of layers here. I know this can help you a lot. And that's pretty much what you can do in Adobe After Effects, so you are more productive. So yeah, unlock it now. Just unlock it. You also have here panel group settings, some settings right over here, and you can also have columns, comments. You can enable and disable for this timeline, enable some things, motion blur, auto keyframe, and other things here. Reveal composition settings. You can also change your composition settings for that project. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I really hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions related to After Effects, please leave your questions down below. And even if it's something that you're wondering how you can do something in Adobe After Effects, or you have a problem, you're struggling with something, leave your questions down below and I'll create a tutorial for you, even if it's something really simple. So yeah, I really hope now you're more familiar with After Effects, and I hope you the best. I wish you a good day, and I'll see you now in the next tutorial. Take care.